minds and teachers are with them in the campus. So on behalf of your Physical Education and Research Center, I welcome you all to our campus, and I hope it is going to be a meaningful and fruitful journey for all of you. Briefly, I will tell you about the campus and about the school. This school is founded by the parent body known as Srivarudha Shiksha Sadan. This school was envisaged by the committee along the line of Sri Aurobindo's thought. Sri Aurobindo is one of the visionary pioneers of India. He was a yogi and also he was a scholar par excellence. Sri Aurobindo studied at England at the age of 7 and he continued till 21 years, got ICS but rejected becoming an ICS officer, and he came to India and joined the freedom struggle. He was later convicted in the Alipur bomb case and he was jailed. You must be knowing the name of Khudiram Bose, Prafulla Chaki. They were the freedom fighters who were working under Sri Aurobindo. He was the only leader who demanded complete freedom even before Gandhi. So when he was jailed in Alipur, from there he had a realization of Vasudev Krishna, and from there he went to Pondicherry. There he stayed for near about 50 years, completed his sadhana, and he came up with a new vision of education which is called integral education, पूर्णांग शिक्षा. तो शिक्षा जो पूर्णांग होना चाहिए उसका अलग अलग विभाग है. Beauty is one aspect. There are 4 aspects to that education. One is knowledge, one is beauty, another one is strength, and another one is love. So these are the 4 aspects on which we focus. So since beauty is one of the aspects, it is very important that we conduct and engage ourselves in the pursuit of beauty. I expect everybody will participate with their heart and mind. Thank you once again.
Thank you so much, sir, for giving us or throwing some light on establishment of our school. Now we'll go towards the inauguration of our workshop today. So for that, I would like to request our principal, sir, Mr. Sahdev Sahu, to come and inaugurate the same.
Good morning, everyone. On behalf of Sohar School Complex, Sundargarh, I inaugurate formally this calligraphy workshop at Vinitapur. Just one sentence for this calligraphy. The discipline of art has at its own center the same principle as the discipline of yoga. In both, the aim is to become more and more conscious. In both, you have to learn to see and feel something that is beyond the ordinary vision and feeling. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, sir. Now, our resource person from the beginning days of his life. And today, he is an expertise in this field. So please welcome our resource person, the very talented Rasraj. Sir, I request you